Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video will be all about how to print your Etsy shipping labels. Guys, this is not a video on how to fix your printer to set it up so that you can print out your Etsy shipping labels, just how to fill out your Etsy shipping labels and then print them out. So once you're on your Etsy dashboard, you'll just click over to your left hand side where it says order and shipping. So once you're here, you'll scroll down just a little bit and then you'll see like this little truck that's like look like he's moving fast. You'll click that and it says get shipping labels. All right, so we're here. We're going to scroll down a little bit and our first question is packaging type. So what are you sending your products off in? Are you sending them off in a letter envelope? Are you sending them off in a mailing tube? Are you sending them off in a poly mailer? I know me personally, I use poly mailers to send off my t-shirts. So I'm going to choose my package type as package thick envelope. So once we got that clicked, and I'm going to show you guys this thing up here. It says ship date. So today is September 25th and I will be able to ship my package off today, but according to the time, I won't be able to because it's after 3 o'clock. So the next day that my item could be sent out is Monday the 27th. So I'll click Monday the 27th is when this item is to be sent out. Next is packaging weight. So when you're doing your packaging weight, you will need a scale. I'll link the scale below that I use for my shop. I bought it on Amazon. I feel like it was fairly cheap. But when you do your packaging weight, you need to weigh everything that's going out with your package. So just don't weigh your products. So you're going to weigh the box that you use. You're going to weigh if you use cellophane bags or cellophane bags, however they say it. If you use those, you're going to put that in there. If you use business cards, if you give out little free stuff like I know some people do scrunchies, some people do stickers and stuff like that. So if you use those, everything needs to go into the box and on the sale. So this is when you weigh everything that you're using. So when I weigh everything that I'm using, it comes about up to 5 ounces for a t-shirt. So I'll put in 0 pounds, 5 ounces. Once that's done, you need the length, width, and height. So this is the length, width, and height of the box or the poly mailer that you're sending off. I use 13 by 10 poly mailers, and I didn't even have to get a ruler out and scale them up because I order mine off of Amazon, so it'll tell you the size of your poly mailers or the size of the boxes that you're using. So you'll just take that length, width, and height and put that in. So the 13 by 10 is the size of my poly mailers, and then boom, we got that done. So once you put in the weight and then the length, width, and height, well, the size, it starts to give you delivery options. So my first delivery option is the USPS first class service. So that's around 2 to 6 days, and these are 2 to 6 business days, and it'll be $3.58. This is usually what I go with. Since it's a t-shirt, they didn't really pay that much, so I don't feel like I should be giving them like $30 shipping. So we have the option of first class, priority mail, and this is, you can use priority mail if you wanted to get there faster. It's 1 to 4 day shipping and it's $8. They also have other types like FedEx and stuff like that. You can just click down on the boxes and see the prices and just see what works good for you. But USPS first class works good for me all the time. And it usually gets there before the 6 days. It usually get there in like 4 days. So they do have additional services, and it's just things like signature and insurance. So I might want to add a signature for something that's like super important and I need to know that the person got it. So maybe like something for a wedding, I would add additional services of a signature. And anything I feel like over $25 or something that'll be hard to replace, I would add insurance to it as well. So as we can see, the signature service would be $2.90. But I'm not going to click that because I don't need that for a t-shirt. I'm okay with replacing a t-shirt if anything was to get lost or damaged or something like that. So I don't need it. When you go down, it'll tell you your estimated delivery date, and sometimes this changes just depending on how the postal service is just running at the time. Like these dates are not like Bible, so don't take these dates and stick to it. Always give yourself like some type of wiggle room. I would say probably like 2 to 3 days wiggle room is good. So either take your processing time up or just try to move a little bit faster when you're shipping your products. Okay, so the next option is to save this as a new label preset. So I will make something a preset. Like if I sell book bags and I know that I ship the same book bag that weighs 5 pounds, I would just fill in all the information. I know what type of poly mailer that I use for this book bag. I know that it's 14 inches and stuff like that. If all the information is always the same, the weight and the height, then you can now save that as a preset. So now the next time that you go in here and you're making your shipping labels for the 10 book bags that you sold, it's super easy. It's like that because everything is a preset already. So you'll just click it, boom, bang, bow. So, all right, now that we have that out of the way, our next thing is to review our purchase. So we can review our purchase and it tells us how many shipping labels we're buying, how much does it cost, and basically Etsy just want to know, would you want a notification for this? So usually I don't click the box for the notification just because it kind of gets annoying to just see all of these notifications from Etsy in your email about stuff that you know that you did. So it's like, I don't click it. I just keep it pushing. Then the next thing to do would be to purchase, of course. So we're going to purchase our shipping label. So now that we're here, it's just giving us the option of printing our shipping label or printing a packing slip. So if you like to put in the packaging slip, when I first started off, I like to put in the packaging slip so people know exactly what they ordered. But then it just started to be a waste of paper. So I just print my shipping label. So you'll just click to print your shipping label. And then from there, Etsy will open up a new page on your computer. So like a little new tab for your PDF. And then if you're on a Mac, you could just click Command P. So once you click Command P, your print options will come up and you'll just choose what printer that this is coming out of. I know that I like to use Avery shipping labels because it's 2 shipping labels on each side and it already has the sticker, but I know that some people like to use paper. So once you print it out, you'll just be able to cut it and then stick it onto your box or your polymailers or whatever you choose to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, this is how to print out your Etsy shipping labels. Peace out.